In the last, so in the last session, we had seen the try and catch, and the nested try catch also we had seen. A single try can have the multiple catches, and we can able to write a try catch within a try catch. If the multiple try is possible, but at least one catch should be there. Okay, so multiple exceptions we can able to handle with the help of try catch. Now we will see the throw. To throw an exception explicitly. For example, if you are seeing a particular conditions and at a particular stage, if you want to throw the exceptions, then at that time we are using the throw statement. The flow of execution stops immediately after the throw statements. Okay, the execution flow is getting stopped immediately after the throw statement. Nearest enclosing try block is inspected to see if it has a catch statement that matches the type of exceptions, and control is transferred to that statement. For example, if you are writing a particular throw statement, then after the completion of execution of throw statement, it is searching for the catch statement. If you found the catch, then it will be going and that exception is thrown. No match. Next enclosing try statement is if we are not finding any catch, then at that time next enclosing try statement is inspected and so on. It is just moving. No matching catch found in any block. Default exception handler halts the program and print the stack trace. So this is nothing but if no catch is found, then automatically the system generated message which is considered by stack print stack trace will be popped up at the executions. Okay, we will now see how to use the throw in our program. Okay, so class, it is nothing but a throw demo. So this is nothing but the name of the function. So therefore, we are starting our program from this end. So the demo procedure is nothing but the name of the function. Then within that, we are just calling the throw new null pointer exception. Okay, so we are throwing the object, and that object is cached in. Just wait a minute. Sorry. Okay, so we are just trying to throw the object, and that thrown object is getting catched by somewhere. Okay, so here we are just considering that this throw object which is getting caught inside the demo procedures, and if it is not the exception is cached, we can rethrow that catch also. Okay, so we are just writing. So here we are for this try we are having the catch, but here we don't have any try or catch. So we are just throwing, and which is handled here itself. Okay, so if you are considering the output, so this output is considered because the exception is thrown here and which is cached here, and recaught, and this message, this is nothing but a system generated message which is just showing to us. Okay, so this is nothing but the example of throw. So it means that if you want to explicitly handle the exceptions, then only in that case we are using the throw. Okay, when we are using the throw, we are using the throw whenever we want to explicitly throw the object. Okay, so this one, then after that throws. This is sometimes similar. This is sometimes similar, but this is applicable to the total methods. Okay, if a method can cause an exception, so because if you are considering the throw is limited to a particular statement only. But if you are considering the throws can be used for a particular function or particular method. If method can cause an exception that it does not handle, then method's declaration must include a throw clause. Okay, throws clause. This is basically, if you are not familiar, if you don't want to use the try catch, then at that time this is a mandatory one. It is necessary for all exceptions except error or runtime exceptions, or there is a, or any of their subclasses. You will see the example. If you are seeing the example public static void main, this is nothing but the starting point for our program. This is the try catch is there. So throw one, it is just coming. So we know that here it might be possible that there is a chances of exception. So that throws, we are just writing illegal access, okay, inside throw one. Okay, and then we are just throwing the particular exception. So this is limited to particular statement, this exception, this throw. But this throws is limited to this particular function. Okay. So if you see the output of this inside throw one, because this is captured before this, and this it is just showing. Okay. And at this end, again, whenever we are just moving out of this, then at that time, illegal access exceptions demo, it is just showing. Okay. So I think this much is sufficient for the first session. In the next session, we will